Hey everyone, good afternoon. Tony D'Amato here. Just came from the new office. We just opened it up a few weeks ago, and it is phenomenal. It is a fantastic place. And we are actually hiring sales agents. So if you are a aggressive type A personality that loves sales, that loves to train salespeople, that wants to, get into some competition and have some fun, and make a ton of money and basically replace any kind of your retirement income for real net worth and real and true wealth, give us a call. We'd love to sit down and chat with you. This may be for you, it may not be for you. Now, I'm going to tell you, it's the insurance industry, and the insurance industry has got a lot of great products, but it's also got a lot of shit products. We are the 9th largest insurance company in the world, and we have some very unique, interesting products that we specialize in. And it is not supplemental insurance. So, if you have an interest in finding out more, give me a shout. 480-330-3561. Again, Tony D'Amato. Hope you have a great weekend. Look forward to hearing from you, and God bless.